Okay, let's have a run through of the different sounds in English, starting with the vowel sounds. There are 44 sounds or phonemes in the English language, and each one has its own symbol taken from the International Phonemic Alphabet. It's not necessary to learn all these symbols, but doing so can help you understand how the pronunciation of a word is transcribed in a dictionary. These sounds are classified into three groups. We have the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds, and the vowel sounds are divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. In this video, we'll practice the monophthongs. They're called monophthongs because each one is a single sound. Close your eyes and listen. E, E, I, U, U, E, This sound is called the schwa, and it's a very important sound in the English language. We'll look at this in more detail later in the course. O, A, O. Now let's look at them in closer detail, observing how each sound is used in an English word. E, sheep, sheep. I, ship, ship. U, good, good. U, shoot, shoot. E, bed, bed. Teacher, teacher. Bird, bird. Or, door, door. Cat, cat. Up, up. Far, far. On. Finally, have a look at where each sound is produced in the mouth. In fact, you can actually feel it in your own mouth as you make each sound. So repeat after me, noticing where the sound is produced as we move from the front to the back of your mouth. E, I, In the next video, we'll look at the English consonant sounds.